Hi, I'm Dr. Prasanna, and I'm a homeopath, a bark flower therapist. And I just never knew about that sound. I could learn so much about sound, about frequencies. And when I've attended Dr. MAHESH HUKMANI is the inventor of JV scan, I've come to know that sound will be the medicine of the future. And I just never knew. Do you believe that sound can be the energetic force for the lasting transformation in your life? When it can tell you how much it can prevent a disease. And that itself has been an amazing workshop. And I think this is going to be and voice analysis will be the medicine for the future. I think universe doesn't speak any language. It doesn't speak in any language, nothing in English also, but it speaks in frequency. Thank you so much.